Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit I will be reviewing is a body wave unit. It is a 13 by 5 T-part wig. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is 24 inches long. Now, if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their UNice Balayage FB30 body wave lace front T-part wig, shadow root blonde highlight human hair wig with baby hair from the Bet U series. This unit is available in 14 to 24 inches, and it only comes in the 13 by 5 T-part lace front wig. And I do have this unit in 24 inches, and if I'm not mistaken, it's only available in 150% density. So it says series, they don't have nothing there, and they have hair color, mixed color, and I've already told you guys what the color was, and it does say 100% human hair. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that this is a T-part wig. So when I say a T-part, that means you can't part old girl nowhere else. Now, you can shift the wig and put it where you want it to be, but in general, you cannot part it anywhere else. So it does, the lace does go all the way across, but you only have that parting space right here. So if I'm not mistaken, they always call it like a 13.5 or something like that. Yeah, they call it a 13 by 5 T-part wig. So just keep that in mind, that by the T, they mean it goes across and then it goes back. That is it. So it literally, you know, makes the letter T. So keep that in mind. And this is a body wave wig that I did curl up. And I'll talk a little bit more about that later on when I talk about how I feel about the unit. And yeah, now as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, it is a body wave wig. I don't typically get a lot of tangling or shedding with my body wave units. I always curl all of my body wave wigs just because I kind of like that extra curl. I like more of a curly wave than just like a super loose wave. That's just my own personal preference. So yeah, I did curl it. Now as I stated, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, I did not have any tangling whatsoever. It didn't shed initially. That's not to say at some point that it will not, but straight out of the packaging, it did not. And this unit does give you enough space that you can tweeze the hairline some. So I did tweeze it just a little bit, and then I was like, nope, not messing with it. I got scared, girl. Okay, so I was like, no, not messing with it. But if you need to, and if you're good at that, then you can. They do give you enough room to definitely tweeze it a little more. It's not a whole lot of room, but they do give you enough to make the hairline look, you know, not so dense, because it does look a little dense straight out of the packaging. As far as big head friendliness when it comes to this wig, I do feel like this wig is a little more on the big head friendly side. I did adjust the straps on so it'll fit me the way I want it to fit me, and I feel like it fits good. So I do feel like it's big head friendly. I feel like you can make it work. This is definitely an average cap, but you can make it work whether you have a guava head or not, girl. So no worries there. Just keep that in mind. I feel like it's more on the big head friendly side than not. I do feel like if you have a smaller head, you can also make it work. And you guys know, if you're a medium head, like I feel like us medium head people can just make them all work. So no worries there whatsoever. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in how I styled old girl, what I think about old girl, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so how do I feel about old girl? Like, I really like this wig, and honestly, T-part wigs are always sort of a hit and miss with me, so I wasn't sure if I would love it or dislike it. Like, it's usually I love it or I hate it, okay? Well, I can't say hate it. It's like I love it or I'm indifferent. I'll say either with T-part wigs, I'm either super indifferent or I super love them. This particular wig I really do love. I think that this wig is an easy slay. You don't have to put in a lot of work. It is giving me more of the synthetica feel, and not like the hair, child. I mean, like the feel of it's easy to slay. Like, I didn't have to put in a whole lot of work with this wig. The most work I put in was curling it, and I love that in a unit because, honey, your girl is lazy, okay? And I am always looking for something that I don't have to put in a whole lot of work. It's not even just that I'm lazy, it's just that I usually have a lot going on in my life, okay? And so I love a unit that is just easy for me to sort of throw on and just go, because that's just always what I need in my life. And I love that about this wig. I love the color. I think that the color is gorgeous. I think it is a good spring summer color. And I think it is good for those people, and I always mention these people because I have a cousin that is one of these people that just like kind of timid when it comes to color. And colors like this are just like really easy to kind of transition into that color ram, honey, and just wear all the colors of the rainbow. I always get questions where people are like, you know, I'm this skin color, do you think this look good on me? And I'm this skin color, you think it's... I am one of those people that I feel like anybody can wear any color, honey. I'm gonna wear any color, okay? I'm gonna wear it. And I just feel like anybody can wear any color. People will say, oh, well, you know, you have the complexion that you can just wear any color. I don't feel like that is ever the case. I think mentally we put that in our own heads, or have people or society tell us that we cannot wear certain colors, that we can, honey, okay? We can slay it. And it just takes you putting it on and you slaying it, girl. I feel like a lot of stuff is mentality. But honey, that's a whole nother video. So but yeah, I do feel like this is a good transition color. If you're kind of wondering about blondes and you want to start with like a bronzy color, this is perfect. Like 30s are always like a good transition blonde to me. Like it's like, you know, people that don't wear a lot of color, they're like, girl, I don't went blonde, and I see it and I'm like, girl, is that really blonde, or you know, is that bronze? Like but I get it. So I just feel like this particular color is just like one of those really, really nice, safe colors. So I really love it. I love the look of it. I love everything about this unit. UNice, you did this, girl. Even though the hairline is a little dense, I don't mind it personally. I know some people is like, I'm not really one of those people. I feel like people, for the most part, I already know I got on the wig. Like, let's keep it a buck. I'm black. For the most part, our hair is not like this, okay? So for the most part, I always just think people think I have on a wig anyway, unless it's more of a natural textured wig. So I don't care, but I know there are some people that are just iffy about that. I just happen to not be one of those people. If you are, honey, no judgments here, girl, okay? I get it. So yeah, I just feel like, you know, it still gives you that room. If you want to tweeze it and make it look a lot more natural, you can. And if not, I feel like it still looks good. I really like the wig. I would recommend the wig. Shout out to you, UNice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am really, really feeling this wig. I feel like it is worth your coins. Like, shout out to you, UNice. I really do appreciate it. And if you are interested in it, check the description box. And let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Are you feeling her? Let me know down below. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm helping Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.